What if you could combine two of the most powerful trends on the planet, passive income and artificial intelligence, to start building real wealth today? This isn't science fiction, this is a practical guide. In this video, we're showing you 3 realistic ways you can use AI as your personal assistant to create and accelerate your passive income streams right here in the UK. The purest form of passive income is making your money work for you through investing. But for many, the world of investing is filled with confusing jargon. This is where AI becomes your free 24/7 financial tutor. Instead of endless Google searches, you can ask an AI a direct question. For example, let's say you want to start investing in a stocks and shares ISA, but don't know what a fund is. You can simply ask, explain the difference between the FTSE 100 and a global index fund in simple terms for a UK beginner. The AI will break it down for you instantly, explaining that the FTSE 100 tracks the top 100 UK companies, while a global fund gives you a piece of thousands of companies worldwide. By using AI to demystify these concepts, you gain the confidence to invest in dividend-paying index funds, the ultimate set it and forget it passive income stream. The AI does the research, you make the informed decision. The second method is to build something once and sell it forever. This is the power of a digital product, but the hardest part is often just getting started. AI can collapse the time it takes to go from a simple idea to a finished product outline. You already have a skill people would pay for. Let's ask an AI to help us monetize it. I have a professional skill in project management. Give me 10 ideas for a short ebook or digital template I could sell on a platform like Etsy. The AI will generate a list of ideas like the ultimate freelancer project planner or a guide to agile for small teams. You pick one, then you give it the next command. Great! Let's choose the ultimate freelancer project planner. Now create a detailed chapter-by-chapter outline for this ebook. In minutes, you have a complete blueprint for your digital product. The AI has done the heavy lifting of brainstorming and structuring. Your job is to use your expertise to fill in the details. You've just turned a 6-month project into a weekend task. The third way is the easiest and fastest way to start earning passive income, making your existing cash work harder. But who has time to constantly search for the best savings accounts? Again, you can let AI do the work. Modern UK fintech apps like Snoop or Emma securely connect to your bank accounts using open banking. Their AI gets to work scanning your spending habits, identifying where you're overpaying on bills, and finding old subscriptions you can cancel. Crucially, they also constantly scan the market for the highest interest savings accounts. When a better deal appears, the app notifies you. This is AI acting as your personal, automated financial advisor, ensuring your cash is always earning the maximum possible passive income with minimal effort from you. So to recap, we can use AI to demystify investing, to create digital products, and to automatically optimize our savings. As you can see, AI isn't a magic money button. It is a powerful assistant. It's a tool that can accelerate your research, your creativity, and your financial efficiency. And by using it wisely, you can start building those passive income streams faster than ever before. If you want more practical guides on using these tools to build wealth in the UK, subscribe to Capital Catalyst UK.